Hunter here, back with another video, slime. And the person who's filming is Kaylee. Kaylee, say hi.
Hi guys!
And so, yeah, let's get started. Go. So, I have this box. It was clay, first of all. But, I made a slime. I took the clay out and I threw it away. It was bad clay. This is Be My Valentine.
Oh, that's a cute name. Oh, whoa, it looks like you've got a cloud slime there.
Yeah.
Who taught you how to make that? Who taught you how to make cloud slime?
You taught me.
Me and Chloe taught Hunter how to make some cloud slime, so Hunter made some cloud slime.
Okay, so this is a cloud slime. Really stretchy.
Smell it. What does it smell like?
Well, let's see. Lavender.
That one looks real good.
Narrow the pokes. They're supposed to be stretchy, not pokey.
Yeah, cloud slimes are usually not pokey.
I rate this a 10 out of 10. So we have this slime called Starry Night. It has some stars.
Oh, that's a cute container.
A smiley face.
So it looks...
Okay, so this is scented like grape. So let's open it up.
Wow, that's really clear, Hunter.
Yep. So, it's just like a jiggly slime. So it's good when you go like this. It's really stretchy. It just rips.
It just rips.
And then slime falls everywhere and then your mom will get mad.
Whoa, that's super clear. Wow.
It's 6.
6? Oh, for 6 awesome kids?
Yep.
Wow, that's a good one, Hunter.
Look how clear it is, guys.
Yeah, that's a good bubble pop.
I rate this slime 10 out of 10. It's a plain one. Watermelon Splash is the name.
Does it smell like watermelons?
Yeah. So you can kind of see the fake snow and the little bubbles in there. Okay. Okay, it's not good at poking. A 4 plum spread.
Plum spread?
Yeah. Smells great. Okay, let's go.
Grape? Okay. Lavender and grape.
So it's like a 6. This is gooey.
So this one, I notice a little bit, there's a couple, this one's like a really jiggly slime, but I've noticed there's rainbow sprinkles in there.
Yeah, look, watch it.
Is that why it's called Mint Chip Surprise?
No, let's stretch it.
What does it smell like? Probably like peppermint or something.
A 10.
A 10 out of 10?
Okay, this is Ocean Paradise.
And it smells like what? Let me smell it.
It smells like Carlux.
It's mango and pineapple.
Okay.
That one looks like it has blue foam beads in it. That one looks a little pearlescent.
I rate it an 8. Not your cheese, just how it scents. Poke it.
What do you rate it?
Just rate it like a 10 out of 10. Shaving cream smells like sunshine. Bye. Yeah. Wait, was that a bead that came from here? No.
You didn't throw it. It's right here.
Oh.
Okay.
Hey guys, 6,000 kids. Hunter here, back with another video. Slime. You can see. Sorry.
Careful. Uh-oh. Bloopers. That's not good.
Poor smiley face that got cracked.
Oh, so look.
Bloopers.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's